All right, so Renewal by Andersen crew is back on site. 3-season room. No windows whatsoever. Completely opened up. They're just finishing taking out the last bit of crap and old windows, and then all the new stuff starts going back in. So obviously last windows were very much just like storm windows. This is Renewal by Andersen's FiberX product. They're black frames, double pane glass, low-E glazing so that I don't have all the UV rays beating on my furniture and whatnot inside that room. When we drove down this driveway for the first time and saw this room, we knew we were gonna do something awesome with it. What? We didn't know. It's really now a flex space for us. So the first thing we did in here is replace every window and door. The Renewal by Andersen guys redid absolutely everything. So we have 2 massive sliders, and we have all sliding windows around the entire perimeter, and then we have fixed pane picture windows at the bottom. So there's floor to ceiling glass, and it's looking out at this big, beautiful field of our neighbors. Just a super fun, flexible space. We can do dinner parties here, we've got games here, we've got the office, and of course, we've got all that wildlife watching.